guys, we got a 3 buttermilk pancake mukbang. I don't even know what I did the last time, because nice and fluffy. I don't even know what I did the last time, but these came out really good. I'm already getting full. I think that was like half. That was probably like 1 pancake. No, not even. Why are they so filling? I don't know how I'm gonna do at McDonald's. I pretty much just ate one.